Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca and I have a Fashom unboxing for you. I haven't had one of these in a few months and they reached out to me. They're like, girl, you're sitting on credit. Come on. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. I did. You know, they've got a referral program like most personal stylist boxes do. And a bunch of you had signed up. So I had credit and anyhow, I got a box. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I do want to say that the cool thing about Fashom, or my Fashom is how they are on their social media. They are such a great, they're kind of a smaller company, personal stylist, fashion sent to your door. There goes my neighbor lawn mowing. You gonna go to the front yard? And then I can. And you guys, I swear, oh my gosh, I swear I can't get anything done. My neighbors are hell bent on doing yard work every day, all the time. Construction. Fashom, you get 5 items, and the cool thing about this that's different than some of the other boxes is that you get to preview your selection. Your stylist picks out, I think, like 8 or 9 items, and then you decide what you want shipped, or you can give feedback and work with them. So it's great. It's kind of nice to know what you're gonna get, and it's not a total surprise. I mean, I love kind of the surprise of other boxes, but anyway, I am a detailed person when it comes to these kinds of things. You want to be very upfront about your sizing, about your preference for fit. You know, do you like your pants baggy? Do you like your tops, you know, fitted and that kind of thing? Another thing about Fashom is that I find their pieces to be on the lower price point than some of the other boxes, and I think this is good for all of us. Some of the items are like, oh, I've never seen that before, and some of the items are, oh wait, I've seen that brand at Nordstrom. So great. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. Hello, if you've noticed, the setup I'm doing is a little different. So I wanted to show the pieces to you in a better way. You guys are always telling me in such a kind, nice way that if I could like hold my camera up to a mirror or my phone or some way to film so I'm full body. So what I did was I tried on the pieces so that I can show them to you in a better, you know, I think it's better. And I'm sitting here and I changed the angle of my camera and the sort of setup of where I sit my stool and so that I could show more of the pieces as well, because I think previously I'm always a little bit too tight in the frame. So yes, I do have a referral code, and it's like anything else where if you sign up using my code, then I get, you know, a referral incentive, and then if you share yours and someone signs up, you get the referral incentive, and so on and so on. So they have free returns, of course. You have 3 days to decide what you want to keep, and then if you only buy 3 or 4 items, you still get a discount. You get 25% off, but if you keep all 5, you get 30% off your box. And they also give $1 for every box sent to NYC Dogs. Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. So they're just great. I follow them on social media and I love their message. They are so body positive. They are so inclusive of style and body types, and they're just an age. It's such a variety. Everything doesn't look, you know, their social media has such a realness to it, and I find it really refreshing. And so if you haven't found them yet or checked them out, I hope you do, because they're just really nice people. Okay, so my first item is a dress. We talked about my love of vintage inspired fashion. I was like, I'm classic, I'm tailored, but I'm vintage and quirky. I'm sure she was like, lady, you are a piece of work. That wouldn't be the first time someone said that. Anyway, so this is the Gilly Ava polka dot dress. It's only $65. It is so cute. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God, did I shave my armpits? Okay. It is so cute. And I will definitely show you on the screen what it looks like on me. Now, it doesn't have pockets, so boo. But I love the waist. I love the color scheme and the sleeves. And you know, it's a little short, like it's a fit and flare, but it comes just at the knee and it's perfect. So it looks short to me when I'm holding this up. I'm like, because I'm totally used to maxi. I'm wearing a maxi dress right now. I'm totally used to maxi dresses for the summer, and I'm looking at this going, it's short, and it's not. It's perfect. So it has this 30s style to it where it's kind of retro and feminine, but it's so comfortable. It's so easy to wear, and I think it's machine washable. But also it's, you know, it's got a lining to it, so it feels really good, and it's just fun. And it's got a zip. I love dresses that just have the zipper in the back and you just step in them and zip up. I hate dresses over my head. Doesn't mean I don't get them, it just means that I curse them every time I put them on. But this is super cute, either with a pair of sandals or even dressed up with like some kitten heels for, you know, a dressier occasion. So much fun. And then the next item I'm gonna pair with the rest of the items. So they sent me some jean shorts, some denim shorts, not jorts, denim shorts that have like distress to them. And these are the Just Black denim brand, which I actually have two jeans from them and I love them. These are the distressed shorts. They're in distress, which is kind of funny because they are. I mean, look at this. My father would have something to say about that. He'd be like, why are you wearing those ragged pair of pants? He's 89, so he's a little old-fashioned, but excuse me. So yeah, these are so cute. Like, I don't have a pair. I have some denim shorts, but I don't have a pair that's kind of like, oh, look, I'm on trend. These are $40, so actually I think that's a great price. These are also a medium. They're called light denim single cuff frayed boy fit short. So they're nice because they're not tight. They're relaxed, and I like that. And these will be fun with wedges and flip flops and right. And then of course I'm wearing it with this top. So I've got this top, and this is so cute. Like, it's got that. I love a floral like this, and I don't know, some people think it looks dowdy or not, but to me, I just think it's very sweet and feminine and girly, so I like it. It's the Les Amis Print Elise top. This is size small, and it's $42. And it's cute. It's something, I feel like I would see this at a boutique. Like if I'm like down in some cute little urban part of town and I'm shopping and there's like this little boutique. That's what I think this would be from. But I love this color. I love mint, I love green. So that is a winner together. Next top is kind of cracking me up because she asked me about animal prints. And the first thing that popped into my head was Tiger King and Carole Baskin. Doesn't that feel like so long ago? We watched that in what, April? And that's like, you know, lifetimes ago. Anyway, I'm like, she's like, do you wear animal prints? You know, tell me about the prints you like. And I'm like, well, I love polka dots. And I'm like, I'm not into animal print. Well, maybe some animal print. I'm like, I don't know. Well, anyhow, so she sent me this top. So we've got this cute halter. I think it's Carole Baskin approved, but I also think that it's you know, modern enough and just sort of cool enough, let's say, so anyone can wear it. If you're totally into animal print, I think it's super cute. And if you're like me, who just kind of has maybe 1 or 2 pieces and is a little afraid of animal print, it's fun to kind of add to that look. And it is the Ninexus Libby halter top, and its price is $41. It's kind of a rayon, so it's really comfortable, size small. It does have kind of a, you know, the armholes are kind of large, probably just because my chest is small, so I don't have a lot holding it up. But I like this, I really do. And I feel like animal print can be very classic. It can be kind of a neutral because you can pair it with just about any color. You can put it with a pop of red, looks sharp with black, with white, you know, so it's, I think, and also it can be, it's totally year round, you know, you can wear summer pieces, you can wear winter pieces, so it's cool. So I'm happy. And last, I was a little on the fence with this color because I thought it was kind of bland, but now I love it because I think it's gonna look so cute with when I super bronze my arms and my clavicles and my shoulders and of course wear like bronzed makeup and or even like pop a kind of coral lip on. Anyway, this is what I think of, right? Do you guys think of what makeup to wear with the clothes you're okay, because yeah, that's how I think. Anyway, this is kind of a, looks like a camisole. It has kind of a lingerie because of the lace feel to it, but it's double layered, you know, it's lined, so it feels really substantial. I think the color is really pretty. Actually, I think you can really dress it up to be very flattering and warming on the skin versus washed out. And it's easy. And this is the kind of top that I love to wear under a denim jacket or like a blazer or a moto jacket and really kind of edge it up and make it look that much more polished or chic. Obviously I'm wearing it with the shorts that you can see, but this is good with, I think, like a pair of white jeans would be cute, denim skirt. So yeah, and it's the White Birch is the brand, and it's called the Lily Lace Top, size small, and it's $34. So if I buy this whole box, it's $155. So 5 items, one including one dress for $155 is not a bad deal. So yeah. Alrighty guys. Hey, if this was fun for you, but you have no plans to shop because of the way the world feels right now and frickin', you know, coronavirus, life on hold, if that's how you feel, I completely get that, and I hope that this is a way to be vicarious and fun for you, because I've noticed that my unboxing and my haul videos are the ones that get the most views and time spent on them on my channel for analytics, and I just think that's very interesting because I know as some people are really shopping and using the time to just, you know, shop online, and some people are really restricting themselves and on a budget and things are tight, and I get that. And so I think though that regardless of which camp you're in, there's just a lot of fun seeing what other people get. I think that's kind of our nature, kind of how a lot of us are inclined to feel like, oh, what'd you get? You know, when your girlfriend calls you up and says, you want to see what I got at the sale or whatever. So anyway, that's what I was thinking of. But if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you stick around. I do some of these every month or so, and then of course I have a ton of beauty stuff. And hey, you guys, let me know what you think. You guys always give me really good constructive feedback on the clothes I share with you in these videos. So click that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, and check out my links for Fashom, and I'll see you next time. Bye.